Welcome to the installation video for the Laverne SolidShield grill guard on a 2016 Ford Transit 350 HD. This grill guard is available in a black powder coat finish. Begin the installation by removing the lower air dam. To do this, remove the bolts and push pin retainer securing the air dam to the vehicle. Set the air dam aside for now until it's needed for trimming. On the passenger side of the vehicle, locate and remove two inside bumper bolts. Locate and identify the passenger side bracket and insert one of the factory bolts through the bottom mounting hole. Place an M12 washer over the bolt and fasten the bracket to the vehicle. Reattach the remaining factory bolt into the top mounting hole. Snug the hardware, but do not fully tighten at this time. Repeat the installation process with the driver's side bracket. To install the center support bracket, begin by removing the license plate holder. With the license plate holder removed, locate and remove the two bolts in the center of the bumper. Lift the center support bracket into place and secure it to the vehicle with an M8 bolt with locking and flat washer at each mounting location. Snug the hardware, but do not fully tighten. With help, lift the SolidShield into place, aligning the frame brackets on the outside of the guard. Secure the guard in place by inserting an M12 bolt with a flat washer through the outside and fastening it with another flat washer, lock washer, and hex nut at each mounting location. Finally, secure the grill guard to the center support bracket with a black M6 bolt with flat washer at each mounting location. Attach the license plate bracket to the lower tube using a silver M6 bolt with a lock washer and flat washer at each mounting location. With the guard secured to the vehicle, torque all of the hardware to the values listed in the supplied instruction sheet. Now that the guard is fully secure, hold the air dam in position and mark where it contacts the lower mounting bracket. Trim the air dam so that it clears the bracket and reinstall using the factory hardware. Congratulations on the installation of your SolidShield grill guard. Remember to do periodic inspections to ensure that all mounting hardware remains tight. Your Ford Transit is now protected for the countless miles that lie ahead.